Transform your locked iPhone into a smart bedside display with standby mode. First, ensure your iPhone is plugged in and charging. This feature only activates when your device is connected to a power source. Next, unlock your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. You'll find it represented by a gray gear icon. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Standby. Give it a tap to open the standby settings. Here, you'll see the main toggle switch for standby mode. Make sure this switch is turned on by tapping it so it appears green. If your iPhone supports always on display, you'll also see an option for that. You can choose to keep your screen on all the time in standby mode or have it turn off after a period of inactivity. Now, with your iPhone charging and standby mode enabled, simply lock your screen and place your iPhone on its side in landscape orientation. You'll see your customized standby display appear, featuring different widgets like clocks, photos, calendars, and much more, all easily accessible at a glance. You can even display live activities, such as sports scores or delivery updates, keeping you informed without needing to unlock your phone. Swipe left or right on the display to cycle through different clock styles to customize the widgets. Simply press and hold on the screen, then tap the plus button to add new ones or long press an existing widget to customize or delete it. Standby mode is perfect for your nightstand, desk, or anywhere you want a quick, glanceable information hub. Enjoy your transformed iPhone.